Good day everyone. So today I'll be showing you how to get the daily cipher for the day. So you already click your daily cipher, and today's cipher code is minor. So I'm going to get your M, then we get I dot dot, then we get N, E is a dot, dot hold dot. There you go, and that's how you get your daily cipher. And then also be sure that you boost. This might be a criteria in the coming days, so make sure you upgrade your multi-tap and your energy limits to as high as possible. Mine is on 1313, even though I don't tap, but this might be a criteria on the long run, so be sure to upgrade.